massive score of 99.34 percentile overall.
First 12, 13 minutes, I was not able to get a single answer. And 11 months of my preparation, I always read Aeon essay or
ये कुछ पैनिक वैनिक हुआ था एग्जाम के बाद when people were talking कि ये सेट गलत है, कुछ mandatory question आया था. So you had tried other questions also, but you were only able to solve two of them. Because normally क्या होता है, some people are way too good with quant and DILR.
So when I started preparing, I attempted a mock test in January and I got low scores in all three sections. So I would only say that believe in yourself. क्योंकि mostly non-engineers का ये रहता है कि engineers will only get 99 percentile and they will only top.
Right. Hi, Swapnil. First things first,
Hi.
congratulations, buddy. Massive score of 99.34 percentile overall. And not disappointing me in any of the three sections. Verbal में 98.5, DLR में 98.3, Quant में 97 percentile. I think getting an overall score of 81 was a very good task. How do you feel about it, Swapnil?
So I feel great, and I also want to thank the whole PW team to be supportive throughout the journey.
Nice, nice, super, buddy. So tell me, what was your struggle like, or what was your journey altogether? I just don't want to hear your struggles alone. What were your high points up, when you were super happy about things in your entire 11 months of preparation for CAT?
Yes, sir. So, sir, I joined the Pioneer batch itself in January, and initially I was able to solve all the DPPs, and initially जो भी questions आ रहे थे वो सारे solve हो जा रहे थे. But after 1 month, 2 months, as the level increased, I was facing struggle in solving DPP. मेरे को कुछ concepts भी समझ नहीं आ रहे थे, and that was the point where I thought कि I'm stuck. It was like कि it is going to be difficult. But then I started rewatching the lectures 2 times, 3 times, and after 2, 3 months, I gained the momentum, and then again I was able to solve the DPPs,
Right.
and I finished my overall syllabus like 3 months before CAT exam.
Nice, super.
So I had ample time for mock tests. I gave almost 50 mock tests.
Oh,
And
nice.
I even scored like 63 percentile, 60 percentile in 1, 2 mock tests, but it was more than 90 for most of it.
Okay.
But yeah, the low scores in mock tests were always disappointing because initially I was not able to cross 60 in mock tests, but I kept giving the mock tests despite what I was scoring and analyzing each and every question. Even if I get them right or wrong, I was checking that how it is supposed to be solved.
Okay.
Or in the last 1 month, I think I was able to score more than 70 in all of the mock tests, and finally I got a raw score of 85 and a score of 81.
Superb, superb. Congratulations, buddy. I think it was, for somebody who has been preparing for 11 months, जब भी कभी low score आता था, like how did you gain that confidence back कि हाँ यार नहीं एक और दे के देखते हैं? Or how did you not want to give up?
Yes, sir, it was difficult to give another. I was scared. I mean, if I scored low, then I was scared to attempt another mock test. But I was like, I have no other option. I have to take a mock test. And
so without really caring about the outcome of the mock test, you still gave it, right? कि मतलब देना ही
yes,
देना है, इसके अलावा कोई option नहीं है. So you're saying you gave about 50 odd mock tests, and in some of them you scored somewhere around 60 percentile, or 60 marks are you saying?
percentile. 60
Okay,
percentile,
60
I scored
percentile.
twice.
Okay, okay. Right. So what was your analysis pattern? मतलब आप analyze कैसे करते थे? What did you do with the paper after you've completed it?
I took 3 hours to analyze each mock test, 1 hour for each section. And despite I'm getting the answer correct or wrong, I will see ki what is the appropriate way to solve it. Maybe I
Okay.
am taking a long method and I'm solving it in 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but
Hmm.
how to solve it in 2 minutes or even less.
Okay, okay, nice, nice, nice. So you did not go overconfident on it, है ना कि यार ये हो गया तो इसको क्या देखना है, जो गलत हुआ है सिर्फ उसको देखते हैं, वैसे नहीं. You analyzed each and every question, भले ही सही था या गलत था.
Yes,
Right, right, right.
yes.
Super. Right. Let's talk about DLR. 24.5 आपका scale score है. So I'm assuming somewhere around 8 to 10 questions you would have attempted. Right. What was your
I
strategy behind?
attempted
Uh,
I attempted 13 questions. I got 10 correct and 3 wrong.
okay. Nice, nice, nice. So you got 10 correct. So from a score of 27, you were
Yes,
scaled down to
scale
24.
down to yes,
Scale down to 24. Nice. कौन सा slot था आपका?
third slot.
Third slot. Nice, nice, nice. So AC वाला किया था क्या? AC vent वाला सेट किया था आपने?
So I started with that, and in like first 12, 13 minutes, I was not able to get a single answer. And it was
अच्छा.
too demotivating.
हाँ हाँ
For
हाँ.
for first 12, 13 minutes in the LRDI section, I didn't got a single answer, and it was too demotivating. But I had to
हम्म.
carry on, and then I found that roots wala set, and
Nice.
I don't remember, but something test kind of
हाँ,
set
टेस्ट
was
स्कोर वाला.
there.
Right, right, right. Super, super.
Those two I was able to do.
हाँ हाँ, nice. They were more math based, right? It had averages involved, mean involved, right?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Weighted average वगैरह था उसमें. बहुत बढ़िया. Super. What about verbal? Swapnil, verbal, how did you manage to get 98 percentile in verbal? What was your strategy with verbal?
So for verbal, I was reading a lot. Through
Mm-hmm.
the 11 months of my preparation, I always read Aeon essay or Hindu newspaper or something. So comprehending the passage became an easy part.
Mm-hmm. Nice.
So RPs were, I was not like, it was too difficult for me, but verbal was easy, I think.
Okay, so you were always comfortable with verbal, है ना? ऐसा नहीं है कि verbal को देख के थोड़ा हिचकिचाते थे या any kind of hiccups you had with verbal? Never.
Never, but in verbal, I used to guess a lot. I mean, if
अच्छा.
I know I'm getting 16 questions, these are my correct 16 questions.
Mm-hmm.
Even after that, I would like attempt ki -1 ही तो होगा. And
Uh,
finally, on the final day, I attempted all 24 questions.
all 24 of them.
Yes, sir.
Right. And your scale score was 36.9. So, what was your attempts like? कितने correct, कितने wrong हुए थे आपके?
I think I got 15 correct
Mm-hmm.
and 6 wrong. I mean, more
Okay.
wrong, but -6.
हाँ हाँ. अच्छा.
3
So
were, I think,
you're not
I,
considering.
yeah.
हाँ, थीटा आप कंसीडर नहीं कर रहे हो. नाइस नाइस नाइस. सुपर. ये कुछ पैनिक वैनिक हुआ था एग्जाम के बाद व्हेन पीपल वर टॉकिंग कि ये सेट गलत है, कुछ मैंडेटरी क्वेश्चन आया था?
Yes, sir. I was disappointed after the exam.
हाँ.
मेरे को नहीं लगा था कि सर इतने करेक्ट होंगे.
हम्म.
Verbal ability section was I was happy after that section, but फिर LRDI के बाद and then quant के बाद I was like कि अब पता नहीं क्या होगा. But
हाँ. But I think
the
this time
result was too different.
quant actually like 6 7 10 साल का जो भी प्रोसेस था अब तक का जो भी उनका पैटर्न था, completely opposite, right? Quant extremely difficult बना दिया था. We've never seen, कि quant में scale score कम, मतलब compared to DLR quant का scale score कम है but percentile higher है, ऐसा कभी situation देखा नहीं है. So a lot of people
Yes.
were not ready for it, right? So आपका कैसा, what was your first impression with the quant section?
In the first 10 minutes, I was only able to solve two questions. And
अच्छा.
in mock test, I used to solve at least 4 questions in the first 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
So it was too demotivating at that point कि अब पता
Okay.
नहीं कितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व होंगे. But
Uh,
eventually I found the easy questions. In many questions I made blunders or silly mistakes.
uh-huh.
And in 3 questions I think I got -1 where I could have got +3. So
Mm-hmm.
that panicking started after 10 minutes because in the first 10 minutes I was only able to find 2 questions which I could solve.
Acha. Mm-hmm. So you had tried other questions also, but you were only able to solve two of them.
Yes, sir.
Right. Acha, that's very. I'm actually super proud of you, buddy, for getting consistent score in all the three sections. Because normally, क्या होता है? Some people are way too good with quant and DILR, but then they lack in verbal. और उल्टा, verbal में बहुत बढ़िया score कर लेते हैं, but DILR में थोड़ा lack करते हैं. Although overall percentile उनका अच्छा आता है, but then with sectionals they kind of stagger with the scores. So how were you able to manage all the three? Like how did you tweak your preparation? Yeah, during the test, what did you have in your mind so that you get, good enough score in all the three sections?
So when I started preparing, I attempted a mock test in January
Mm-hmm.
and I got low scores in all 3 sections. So I knew
Okay.
that I have to equally work hard on all three. So it was
Mm-hmm.
always I was giving equal time to all the sections. Obviously, I was giving more time to quants because uh, more solving is required there. But I was
Mm-hmm.
not never neglecting VARC or DILR.
Nice. Superb. Swapnil, what was the reason behind you choosing PW?
First of all, I think it is very affordable for everybody,
Mm-hmm.
and the faculty was amazing. The DPPs provided were extremely helpful because that bank of questions you are getting and regular lectures and doubt solving. So all this at very affordable price when we compare to every other place. So that
Mm-hmm.
was the main reason.
Nice. Super, buddy. If you have anything, any piece of advice for your juniors or your peers जिन्होंने test दिया है but then they did not score that well, if there's anything you would like to tell to them.
Sir, I would only say that believe in yourself. क्योंकि मोस्टली नॉन इंजीनियर्स का ये रहता है कि इंजीनियर्स विल ओनली गेट 99 परसेंटाइल एंड दे विल ओनली टॉप. तो
Correct.
सबसे पहले तो वो रहता है कि दे प्रिपेयर फॉर 95 परसेंटाइल.
Mm-hmm.
So I think first you have to believe in yourself that you can get a 99 percentile, and
Mm.
then you can prepare.
Right, super. So believe in yourself, trust the preparation that you are doing, right? क्योंकि अगर
Yes,
आपको आपके प्रिपरेशन पे ही भरोसा नहीं है, खुद पे ही भरोसा नहीं है, then anything else happening around you will not affect, right? So first thing is you have to manifest. Am I right?
yes.
Super. Great, buddy. Thank you so much for sharing. If one last question, if you had in the 11 months of preparation, कहीं पे अगर आपको कुछ downfall हुआ है, कहीं पे demotivate हुआ है, demoralize हुआ है, if you would like to tell that.
Yes, that was the like in March or April, I was not able to solve DPPs. I mean, in DPPs, out of I think 30 questions were there, and I was able to solve only 5 6 questions even after giving too much time to it.
Okay.
So I knew कि वहाँ पर the concepts were not as clear as it should be.
Mm-hmm.
So going back to the concepts, doing it again and again was it was like I'm restarting my preparation,
Mm-hmm.
going back to basics. So
Okay.
that was the point. I thought कि I don't think कि इस साल कुछ हो पाएगा, but eventually it happened.
Nice. That is so. I'm so glad to see somebody who could have given up at any point in time but did not, है ना? Because a lot of time this happens कि हम ना ऐसे सोचते हैं कि यार अब नहीं हो पाएगा, इससे आगे नहीं हो पाएगा. या a lot of people start searching for a specific reason कि यार अभी drop करना better रहेगा या फिर अभी apply नहीं करते next year करते 2 साल का preparation. So I think you did not give up on yourself. आगे का क्या सोचा है? What have you thought about the future, Swapnil? Have you given any OMETs also?
I will give that,
Okay,
and in the next 2 months, I will prepare for the VAT PI.
superb, superb, nice. Which B schools are you expecting a call from?
I'm expecting ABC, but अब देखते हैं.
नाइस नाइस, बट आपने एप्लीकेशन में सब कुछ सेलेक्ट किया था या
Yes, sir.
स्पेसिफिक? नहीं, सब कुछ सेलेक्ट कर लिया था आपने।
सब कुछ किया था.
राइट राइट। और अपार्ट फ्रॉम आईएम्स आपने कहीं और अप्लाई किया है या करने का सोचा है?
I have applied for IAFT.
ओके, नाइस नाइस, सुपर, great great, Swapnil. Thank you so much. I'm going to end the recording now.